Hello, Rob Dumayne here again, Dry Tech Director for the UK. I just wanted to introduce you to our new Tribo-tape materials. So these are tribologically enhanced materials. They're low friction, varying from the V400 material, which is a high temperature material, the B160 material, which is a black, low friction, high wear material. We have W160, which is a anti-UV material. So that means we can have that out in the daytime, in the sunlight. It won't affect the properties of the material. And finally the A160 material, which is a food approved, low friction, self-adhesive tape. So this is just an example of very simple shapes that we can cut out. So we have a simple square strip there, or even a sort of a kidney bean shape for a wear strip on a conveyor system, and even special stamped out pieces. We can do these at very high volume as well. So if you want to do a lot of repetitive work with self-adhesive low friction tape, then that's the material for that. This also comes on large reels, so you can buy it by the metre or on a 50-metre reel, all available from stock in all of those four materials that I mentioned earlier. So if you'd like any more information or samples, please let us know on the details below, and we'll get those out to you.